nice animated videos, intro videos and other videos for your businesses, your YouTube channel. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply go to flipexpress.com and then click on register. We advise you to register with your Gmail account. The Gmail account will pop up, then you choose to register, then click on get free plan. It's going to bring you here and you can see the different templates you can use to create nice intro video for your business. So let's choose this and let me show you how it works. So this is one of the templates. Click on customize now. Upload the image you want to use. The image can be your business logo or anything. Let me just choose an image on open. Then you click on proceed. You crop the image to the size you want. Then you click on next. After you click on it, it's going to ask you to type the main title. You can type your business name, or you can type your business name. Let's say you can choose a color you want. You can choose any color. You can choose your business color. You can add an audio to it. Choose any audio you want here. And choose some different audios they have here. Short intro. Let's choose this. Then after this, you click on submit order. Yes, place order. So your order has been submitted. Then you are going to click on view my orders. Your order is going to process. After it's processed, then it will be available for download. Then you can click on download and share. You can download it in SD or in HD. Let's download this in HD. So you can see it's downloading. So we are going to open the file after it finishes downloading. So you open it. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see our file here. And see how beautiful it is. So